This is the HTC Hero S Take Apart Repair Guide. First step will be to remove the bottom battery cover. From there you can remove the battery, SIM card, and memory card. Using a safe open pry tool to gently lift the upper cover. It will be held in place with adhesive and clips. While the clips are released, remove the cover. Notice the small patch of adhesive located in the video. Using a Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the 5 screws as shown in the video. Now swap to a small Phillips screwdriver and remove the 3 small Phillips screws. Now gently press the screen assembly away from the metal casing and gently slide it through the slot. Use a safe open pry tool to gently lift up the decal located under the battery. We will now have access to 4 small Phillips screws, which will need to be removed. Using a safe open pry tool, begin releasing all the clips holding the back housing in place. Work your way around all 4 edges, releasing all the clips, and remove the back housing. With the motherboard exposed, you will need to remove the vibrate motor as shown in the video. With the motor released, we can now swing open the motherboard, which will reveal 2 jaw connectors. Release these clips and remove the flex cables located inside. Safe open pry tool to remove the small circuit board and all tape located on the back of the screen assembly. Now use a heat gun or hairdryer to begin warming the adhesive holding the screen assembly in place. Be sure to warm both the front and the back of the screen assembly to make sure all the adhesive is warmed. Begin using a safe open pry tool. Begin releasing some of the adhesive holding the screen assembly to the back of the front housing. There are 2 large vertical strips of adhesive located on each side of the screen assembly. Take your time with this process and reheat the adhesive if necessary. Once all the adhesive is released, you can remove the screen assembly from the front housing. Now need to reheat the screen assembly, allowing us to separate the LCD screen from the touchscreen. Use a safe open pry tool and gently glide it along the outside edges, releasing all this adhesive. Gently lift up and away the flex cables located on the back of the LCD screen. Once the adhesive is released, you can now separate the LCD screen from the touchscreen digitizer and replace either screen.